Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how exciting and sometimes overwhelming it can be. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to convert USDT to XRP on Binance in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a great starting point for trades. XRP, on the other hand, is Ripple's digital asset, known for its fast and low-cost transactions. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or capitalize on market trends, this step-by-step process will get you there quickly and safely. First things first, make sure you have a Binance account set up and verified. If you don't, head over to the Binance website or app and complete the registration. It's quick and essential for security. Once you're logged in, navigate to your wallet and ensure you have USDT available. If not, you might need to deposit some first. Now, let's get to the conversion. Go to the Trade section on Binance. Look for the spot trading area and search for the USDT XRP trading pair. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options for market orders, which execute immediately at the current price, or limit orders, where you set your desired price. For beginners, I recommend starting with a market order to keep things simple. Select the amount of USDT you want to convert, double-check the details to avoid any mistakes, and hit Buy XRP. Binance will process the trade almost instantly. After that, head back to your wallet to confirm your XRP balance has updated. Remember, always keep an eye on transaction fees. They can add up, so choose the right network if prompted. One quick tip. The crypto market is volatile, especially by 2025, so only convert what you're comfortable with. Stay informed about regulations and use two-factor authentication for added security. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video.